small block Ford, just got done running. Description is combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. It's got the Pro-Am manifold, Accufab throttle body, fuel management, Terminator X, great system. Camp front sump oil pan, custom grind hydraulic roller with the front runner system on the front. Nice setup. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,400, 485 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 499, peaks horsepower 483. So we rated it 450, but the EFI open plenum manifold definitely runs upstairs really good. So everything's good. We'll get her off there in the crate. Coming away. Have a great day.